There are two sets of groups. The group A elements are called the representative elements. The group B elements are called the non-representative elements.
The periodic table is a chart that shows the elements according to their similar properties. Most elements are metals. There are so many metals, they are divided into groups: alkali metals, alkaline earth metals, and transition metals.
Groups 13 through 15 include some metals such as metalloids and some nonmetals. The transition from metal to nonmetal is gradual. Even though these elements aren't similar enough to have groups contained within a single columns, they share some common properties.
Elements that don't have the properties of metals are called nonmetals. Some elements have some, but not all of the properties of metals. These elements are called metalloids. The noble gases are located in group 8 of the periodic table. The noble gases are not reactive. This is because they have little tendency to gain or lose electrons.
Why do you think Mendeleev made a periodic table? Many elements remain to be discovered in Mendeleev's time.
Elements that have some properties of metals and some properties of nonmetals are called metalloids. The metalloids are located along the diagonal line between the metals and nonmetals in the periodic table. The periodic table helped predict the properties of new elements.
Atom size decreases as you move from left to right across the table and increases as you move down a column.
Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev created the periodic table and is often considered the father of the periodic table. However, the work of many scientists contributed to its present form. Rows of elements are called periods. The period number of an element signifies the highest unexcited energy level for an electron in that element.
Elements are classified according to their properties. The major categories of elements are the metals, nonmetals, and metalloids.